Hey Millie,
Hi.
look at this. This is just some of the lovely comments that we've had from people about the training. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, so I thought that's good to try this on. I'd seen this was here on the review ribbon in Word that we could actually translate the language. Now you can
Amazing.
either translate just a section of it, but I went for the whole document. So I'm going to do it with you, Millie. Look, you see how that's opened up a pane on the right-hand side? And
Yeah.
then look, we'll do your Polish if you like. There's Polish, and we say translate. And obviously, if this was always the case, you tick that box, but we'll just say translate, and it makes another document in that language.
Oh wow, that's brilliant. And how amazing is that? Because we're so multicultural these days, even in the UK. Like, how many times do you come across someone that speaks another language?
I know, it's just so amazing. The one in Thai, look, you see the thing?
Wow,
Look at
amazing.
that. So, I really thought it was great stuff.
We can actually end the issue of not understanding one another. How great's that?